Lately, people have been asking me what do I like more, my BMW or the Trackhawk. And the thing is, you can't really compare the two. They're two different cars and they serve two different purposes and they're special in their own way. So I love both of them. I don't have a favorite here. Usually I would have a favorite, but these cars are just so different that I just love both of them. Now we're filling up the Beast with the good stuff, and unlike Ohio, we have 93, not 92. Here's what we're doing today. We got invited to this drive with a bunch of supercars. Not sure why I got invited. My broke ass does not have a supercar, but I guess having a BMW is close enough, so I wasn't gonna turn that opportunity down. Believe it or not, the BMW is respected more than the Mopars in the supercar world. I'm gonna be real with you guys. Mopars are hated by a lot of car communities, and I always ask, why do you guys hate Mopars? They all give me the same answer. It's because of the people that drive the Mopars and not necessarily the Mopars. And I never understood what that means. I maybe get it because younger people drive Hellcats and Scat Packs and Mopars or whatever. So maybe those people just act reckless, or I don't know, because I feel like Mustangs are driven by younger people too. So I'm not sure why most car communities have this thing with Mopar owners and they just absolutely hate them. We got a cop. We made it here. We got an M8 right here. Ooh, we got the Maserati right here. We got the Porsche 600 LT G-Wagon. And that's just a few of the supercars that are coming. There should be a lot more. To the airport, and there are a bunch of hangars here. We got the Maserati right in front of me. This is a very cool experience, and I'm just glad I get to capture it for you guys. All right, let's get out and show you guys all the cars. We got an R8, 600 LT, G-Wagon. This guy's off-roading the Porsche, of course. Then you got the Hellcat. What are you doing, off-roading the Porsche?
Off-road GT4.
All right, look at, we got a helicopter here. Let me show you guys around. This thing is so cool. That sounds great. It was in the last video. We did some donuts with it. Then you got the Maserati right here. Wow, beautiful. This is factory paint, by the way. Then we got the Urus right here. Then we got the Ferrari. Then we got the GT. And then this, the RS6. Tuned downpipes. This was also in the last video. We did some pulls with it. Then we got the Aston. This thing is cool as well. M8 Competition. I think it has like exhaust or something. Then we got the Z06, really cool. And then we got a freaking airplane. I wonder where they're going. We are literally at an airport. A plane just took off. That's a V10 right there. Then we got a C8. And then we got the GTR. Yeah, a lot of cool cars here. I mean, this is the first time being at the airport with a bunch of cars. And then we got a helicopter. So I think this guy definitely won the show here. We pulled up in cars, but he pulled up in a helicopter. First time seeing a helicopter in person. Look at that. Oh, this is cool. There's a few more cars here. We got the Super Duty Ford right here. And then we got the Hummer. This thing is cool. Yellow Hummer. Wow. These just look so much better in yellow. Look what showed up. Oh yeah. That is so cool. Carbon fiber wheels. Look at that. And we got this. Look at that Aventador. My God. This is crazy. Now we're off to the next location, M1 Concourse, which is a local track. Let me know what you guys think of the video so far. Please leave a like, leave a comment, because it's only gonna get lit from here. We made it to M1. We got the Porsche, Maserati, another Porsche. This thing is so beautiful, the color. And then we got this slow thing. We got an M8 Competition, downpipes and tune. We got this Porsche. We got a built GTR, RS6, downpipes and tune. We got this limited edition Aventador with the orange accents, matte, factory matte. We got the GT. We got the 63, I believe, V10 Audi. And then we got this. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. But this.
You're okay with being photos, correct? Oh, that's okay.
Wow. Red interior. That's insane. Wow. This is crazy. And then you got the Ferrari. So this is kind of what the garages look like. We got a little bar, got marble, nice cars. And then there's the upstairs. That's kind of how all of these garages are. There's cool cars in there. Everyone's different. Okay, there's bigger than this, there's smaller than this, and they're just like a bunch. It's just pretty much like a man cave for rich people where they store their cars. There's even an upstairs, as you can see. And there's also like a track. It's not the biggest track, but yeah, it's right here. So it goes all around. It's not the biggest track, but it's just for some of these rich people to kind of take their cars and enjoy them around the track. There's some crazy garages. There's a garage here that had like 8 Rolls Royces. There's a garage with a La Ferrari. So there's a lot of fucking cars, and you know, I'm glad to be here. You know, it's all about putting yourself around people you want to be like, and all these people are successful in their own way. So, you know, I want to get like them. Check the interior out. Red guts. Look at that. 220 on the dash. Wow, this thing is sick. Lamborghini Diablo. This thing has only 7,000 miles. So here are the stairs. Look how fancy it is. Lit up stairs. So you got the bar right there. Living area.
Every time I play basketball, Chris wants to play something.
Look at that. At the office.
I'd honestly rather do
Look at all that.
because you can make it
Marble.
yeah, without the sticker.
And then you get a nice view from up here.
Yeah, just at the end of the day.
Pretty much all the cars. What's up, my boy? How you doing? Better than you? So here's what we're doing. We're gonna get this bad boy retinted because I don't think it's dark enough. The windshield looks like it has 75% tint. It's not dark at all, so that has to go, and we're gonna go darker. The side is not that bad. It's only 25%, but you guys know that I like 5%, so we're probably gonna go with 5% on the side and like 15 or 20 for the windshield.
The limo on the windshield.
Really? That dark? Nah, bro, I'm good. You had my Corvette with like, what, 10, 15?
No, your Corvette had 25 on the windshield.
No.
Yeah, your Mustang had 15.
My GT500, what did that have? 15? And that was way too dark. I can't do it again. And this car doesn't have a sunroof. Yeah. Because we got carbon, not because I couldn't afford the sunroof. And that's the old tent. Should we just leave it like that?
Leave it clear?
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah.
What are you doing, man?
I'm just working on my car, bro. I'm a car guy.
Oh, you do that type of stuff?
Yeah, bro. Every now and then I'll pick up a hammer. I mean, a drill. But a quick question. Since I'm over here helping with the job and everything, do I get a discount?
No, you gotta pay extra, bro. What do you mean?
What do you mean I get to pay extra? I'm helping.
You're using my space.
So I gotta pay extra because I'm helping?
Yeah.
Hey, bro, it's after hours too.
It's training, bro. You gotta pay to learn. I got an M3 now.
Hey,
so
just
guys,
tell-
welcome back to my YouTube channel. channel where I'm gonna be tinting some windows.
We got a drive-by! And tints are all done. So let me walk you guys through everything we did. So we did 20% on the front. As you can see, it's pitch black. We did 5% on the sides. You cannot see in that. So if your girl's in there, you're not gonna be able to see her. The back is 5% as well. I mean, you better not catch your girl in this car. Well, actually, you won't catch your girl in this car because we got tints from Motor City Tints. If you noticed the outfit change, well, I went home and changed outfits because we are going out tonight to network with some people. Hey, bro, is it cool if I pay you next week?
You know how many people say that shit?
Not for real, bro. I'm going out and stuff. I just need some money in my pocket, you know what I'm saying? I'll get you as soon as I get some money, you know, as soon as I get paid, I'll get you, bro. I promise you. Come on, bro.
We do payment plans.
Yeah, okay, I'll give you $1 today and then the rest.
No, you gotta put down payment.
Down payment, how much you talking?
At least 100.
100? Okay, I'll give you 100 cents.
Okay. Huh?